Today I am reviewing the AVAPOW 6000A car battery jump starter portable. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. There is nothing quite like the sudden sinking feeling you get when you turn your car key or press the start button, and absolutely nothing happens. A dead car battery always seems to hit at the worst possible moment. Whether you are running late for an important meeting, trying to head home in the middle of a freezing winter night, or stranded in a dark, empty parking lot. Traditional jumper cables only work if you are lucky enough to find a friendly stranger with a working vehicle who is willing to position their car nose-to-nose with yours. That is an enormous gamble to take with your personal safety and schedule. That is exactly why a reliable portable jump box has transitioned from a luxury item to an absolute necessity for every vehicle glove box or trunk. Today, we are taking an in-depth, comprehensive look into the AVAPOW A68 6000A portable car battery jump starter. This ultra-powerful, commercial-grade lithium-ion jump box is designed to deliver absolute peace of mind, packing immense starting power, intelligent diagnostic safety systems, and a multifunctional power hub into a surprisingly lightweight package. Let's break down exactly why this device stands out as a definitive roadside companion. To truly understand what sets the AVAPOW A68 apart from standard jump packs, we have to look at its sheer raw power metrics. This unit is engineered to deliver a staggering 6,000 amps of peak current. While typical consumer-grade jump boxes offer somewhere between 1,000 and 2,000 amps, this model scales things up to commercial levels. The internal lithium-ion battery system is optimized for a rapid response discharge, allowing it to deliver that massive wave of energy to a completely drained or frozen 12-volt battery in as little as 2 seconds. This intense power profile translates to incredibly broad vehicle compatibility. The AVAPOW A68 is officially rated to start all gasoline engines and massive diesel engines up to 12.0 liters. Whether you drive a compact commuter sedan, a heavy-duty turbo diesel pickup truck, a motorcycle, an all-terrain vehicle, a massive recreational vehicle, a boat, or even a commercial tractor, this single jump box can revive it effortlessly. It can even execute multiple jumps on a single full charge, making it a reliable tool for households with multiple cars or for helping out stranded drivers on the highway. For many people, the thought of handling vehicle jump-starting causes a lot of anxiety. There is always a lingering fear of connecting the cables incorrectly, sparking the battery, or accidentally causing thousands of dollars of damage to a vehicle's sensitive electrical computer systems. AVAPOW addresses this brilliantly by introducing an intelligent safety and diagnostic jumper clamp system. When you plug the heavy-duty smart cables into the A68 unit, the integrated diagnostic module takes over, offering 8 distinct layers of hardware protection. It continuously monitors the connection for reverse polarity, short circuits, over-temperature conditions, over-voltage spikes, overcharging, reverse charging, overcurrent, and deep discharge protection. If you accidentally attach the red positive clamp to the negative terminal, the smart box detects the user error immediately, blocks the flow of electricity, and provides clear visual indicator lights and audible alerts to tell you exactly what is wrong. You simply wait for the solid green light to illuminate on the block, which signals a perfectly safe, optimized connection, and then turn your engine over. It is so simple and foolproof that anyone, regardless of their mechanical experience level, can use it safely in a stressful emergency situation. Beyond its primary function as a life-saving vehicle jumper, the AVAPOW A68 doubles as a highly versatile, heavy-duty portable power pack for your everyday digital gear. Built right into the chassis is a compact power hub featuring dual USB output ports. One of these ports is a dedicated USB 3.0 quick charge port that supports smart charging technology across multiple voltage levels, including 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. This means if your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or camera dies while you are camping, traveling, or experiencing a home power outage, you can plug directly into the jump pack and replenish your device's battery up to 50% faster than traditional standard USB wall blocks. Additionally, the kit includes a premium cigarette lighter socket adapter that plugs directly into the unit's 12-volt DC output port. This allows you to power 12-volt automotive accessories like portable tire inflators, car vacuums, or camping refrigerators directly from the jump pack while away from your vehicle, making it an incredible multi-tool for road trips and outdoor adventures. Emergency situations often happen in the dark, which is why AVAPOW has integrated a comprehensive, ultra-bright multifunctional LED illumination system directly into the front of the device. This built-in flashlight features 3 distinct operational modes controlled via an accessible power button. The first mode is a steady, wide-beam white light that perfectly illuminates your engine bay, allowing you to see your battery terminals clearly without needing to hold a smartphone flashlight in your mouth. The second mode is a rapid strobe function, which serves as an excellent roadside warning indicator to alert passing traffic that your vehicle is stopped. The third mode is a universal SOS signaling flash, which can be life-saving if you are stranded off-road or in a remote area without cellular service and need to signal emergency personnel. When you open the package, the AVAPOW A68 arrives as a complete, all-inclusive emergency kit housed in a premium, protective storage case. Inside the rugged case, you will find the main 6000 amp jump starter unit, the smart jumper cables, a USB Type-C charging cable, the 12-volt cigarette lighter socket adapter, and a comprehensive user manual detailing clear, step-by-step operating instructions. It is important to note that a dedicated AC wall charging brick is not included in the box, which is standard for modern lithium-ion electronics. However, the unit supports universal recharging via its USB Type-C input port, meaning you can easily recharge the jump pack using your existing smartphone wall block, a laptop charger, or right inside your vehicle using the auxiliary power port while driving. To keep the battery cells in peak condition, it is highly recommended to give the unit a quick top-off charge once every 3 months so it is always sitting at maximum capacity when an emergency strikes. In conclusion, the AVAPOW A68 6000 amp jump starter is a masterpiece of safety engineering and raw utility. It completely eliminates the anxiety of a dead battery, replacing bulky traditional cables with a sleek, autonomous, and incredibly powerful safety net. By fusing a commercial-grade engine booster, a fast-charging electronic power bank, a multi-mode emergency flashlight, and a bulletproof 8-layer safety clamp system into a durable package, AVAPOW has built the ultimate automotive insurance policy. It is a highly practical, reliable investment that will protect you, your family, and your vehicle every single time you step onto the open road.